guys! So today I have no vlog for you. First of all, how are you? How's everyone doing? Hope everyone is doing great as usual. I'm doing great. Just an update of my herbal drink. I stopped only after 1 week and I feel good up to today. But I've been naughty because I've been eating pizza. My lawyer just made meatballs with spaghetti and he wanted me to taste, so I had to eat a little bit, even though it's only a little bit. I told him I have already had my lunch, maybe it could be for dinner, but he couldn't wait. He had to give me some to see what I think of it, and it's quite good, I must say. I'm impressed because he used the fresh tomatoes, which is very important in an Italian recipe, is to use fresh ingredients. So anyhow, guys, sorry if I'm a little bit frazzled, but I should have put on the fan. Just a second. Alright, the fan is on now. Yes, today it was my first test on using the tent on top of my balcony, which is actually a material that you use for underneath the roof tiles before you place the roof or the tile. And I used that. I ordered that online and I had it made like a tent. However, because today is my first time, so because also the boys are off, only my housekeeper and myself, so just the two ladies had to tackle the rain because it came, even though it wasn't hard, but it was windy. So apparently the water accumulated on top of the tent, so it made a bowl out of it. So we learned. I had to push it up so that the water just poured over to the side. But in the meantime, I was alone because I couldn't have the time to text my housekeeper. So I had to do it like half an hour up and down. Push. And I was thinking, well, this is the life without a man. So I need men. So anyway, in the end she came and she had an idea, why don't we put bamboo, even though I did mention it, put a stick. I forgot that we have plenty of bamboo supplies. So she went under the rain with the umbrella, cutting the bamboos that were already there, available, but they were too long. So she cut a little bit, she cut two, and then we stuck it out, you know, against the tent from the floor, and it worked. So now we need the third one, because I think 3 would be even better, because 2, it worked, even though the rain died down a little bit. That helped, but I'm sure if there's wind and strong rain, I don't think it would work. So we have to think of something more functional. I could always order an awning, but it's going to cost me a fortune, you know. At the moment, I can't allow myself that, you know. That's how disciplined I am. The same with my telefonino. I was going to say in Italian telefonino, which means a cell phone or a mobile device. I can't buy it yet. I have to be very disciplined. I'm not going to force to buy anything that I don't think it's necessary, really. So I may do with this tent that I bought online for only like what, 7 euros? And plus of course, because the houseboy yesterday had to buy a special metal just to hook or to gauge or whatever you say the tent is. So yeah, so that's my update today. For the whole week, nothing. It was just relaxed by the pool. And what else? Anything new? Look, I'm perspiring and the fan is on already. Anyway, I feel really slim. This one is a big dress, home dress. But I did go to the mall with it with my friend though. So, anyway, whoo, perspiring. So this is just to wear at home. And I had my pizza in bed actually while watching YouTube. So anyway, guys, that's all for me from this week. For this week. Hope everyone is keeping themselves safe and healthy and happy. And I'll see you again, I hope, on my next video. Okay? Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Smash that button, please. And then I'll be able to see you next vlog. On my next vlog. Ciao, ciao. Arrivederci.